name is Sarah and I am a Sabo Skirt stylist and social media assistant. Today I'm going to give you a little glimpse into my style as well as a few of the little pieces that I picked up vintage shopping.
What would be a go-to staple piece for you?
Go-to staple piece would be an oversized linen shirt. I pretty much wear these religiously through summer and pair little white denim shorts and then just mix and match my accessories.
If you live properly.
Tell us what your everyday outfit would be.
So Monday to Friday I'm obviously in office, so I just want to be comfy, so it's usually some sort of a knitted set. I work at Sabo, so obviously I wear a lot of Sabo.
Favorite vintage find?
My favorite vintage find, oh that is so difficult, it's like picking a favorite child, but I'm gonna just have to play it week by week, and my current favorite is this little belt that I found a couple weeks ago. My boyfriend pretty much nearly convinced me out of getting it because it's a little bit tattered, but I love it. It's got a little gold detailing and it is a snakeskin, which is really trending right now, and it's in my favorite colours.
Gold or silver?
Gold, 100%.
Bikini or coat?
Definitely bikini. I hate winter and I would die to live somewhere that was summer all year round. A massive part of my style and styling up an outfit for me is adding in pieces that are a little bit different and that you can't find anywhere else. I'm going to show you a couple of the things that I picked up from op shops around as well as online for vintage stores. One of my favourite stores for online vintage shopping is Bohem Goods, as well as Generally Worn, which is an Australian based online second-hand store. As you can see my trays, I have a lot of jewellery now, and these are all pieces that I've picked up all for about $2–3 from op shops. So a few of my favourite little pieces that I have here are these ones. So these earrings, they're so art deco, they're really cool. I feel like there's nothing like that you can just buy in stores. My mum used to wear these when I was a kid and they remind me of her, so I love getting little fine watches. Big chunky watches seem to have been in for a little while now, but for something different I like to collect old ones, and they've got really cute detailing in them. Picked this one up from Annalie and this one was $3. It's one of my favorites. Super cool. This one's actually one of my faves because it mixes snakeskin as well as chain detailing.
Bold earrings or a fine necklace?
Ooh, that's a really tough one. I have my go-to pieces that are my necklaces. I have two pieces that are really special to me that I wear pretty much every day. So I'd have to say that my necklaces. Hope you guys enjoyed a little glimpse into my style and you picked up a few little tips and tricks from it. Any questions, hit me up in the comments. Ask me on my Instagram. Over and out, bitches!